Hello friends, I'm talking about life stages of a butterfly. What colorful wings we have, and they're so beautiful. So friends, do you know how do they grow? So there are 4 life stages of a butterfly. The first one is a female butterfly lays an egg on a leaf of a plant. The egg could be round, oval or cylindric. It could be smooth, rough. It depends on the species of the butterfly. So some may take few weeks or some may take warm weather to hatch. It depends on the species of the butterfly, friends. So where the egg is laid on the leaf of the plant, that plant is called the host plant, friends. After the egg is hatched, we get a caterpillar, friends. They have a lot of appetite and they feed on the host plant. They change their skin 4 to 5 times and they can grow 100 times larger. So this is the third stage, friends. Once the caterpillar is fully grown, it changes into a pupa. The pupa is a type of a vessel that protects the butterfly from predators and harsh weather conditions. So friends, this may take few weeks or several months. It depends on the species of the butterfly. So friends, when the butterfly is ready to emerge, the pupa's case around the pupa splits open and the butterfly has wings and is ready to fly. Oh no! What? The butterfly is not able to fly. So let me tell you why. Because his wings is soft, wet and wrinkled. So friends, the butterfly releases a liquid called hemolymph. It makes the wings strong and big. Now it's ready to fly. And the life cycle is completed. This keeps on repeating, friends. So what is the 4 stages? Egg, caterpillar, pupa and butterfly, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.